What's up, guys? Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring this Baofeng K6 tri-band radio. Full transparency, I did purchase this with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. So I'm a newbie to these style radios. I do not have a ham operator's license, so I can't transmit on these. I bought this here because I live underneath a flight path and I got a bunch of airband traffic in the area. So I wanted to just monitor that traffic just to see what's going on. So getting this out of the box, guys, it was super easy to set up. I was literally listening to the air traffic control within minutes of getting this out of the packaging. It comes with a programming cable, an external mic, earbuds and mic, high gain antenna, it's large long whip, user manual, and a charging cradle back here. So guys, again, this is tri-band, so you can listen to the airband stations on here as long as you have the correct frequencies. I've got a student pilot in the air right now I'm listening to, doing touch and goes and some other traffic in the area.
Number 3 following downwind Cessna, runway 34, clear touch and go.
See, that's a touch and go. Touch and go. So yeah, so there's a training airport not far from where I'm at, and so I'm listening to some of the traffic over there. As you can hear, it comes through loud and clear as long as you got good line of sight. And it's just a fun way to listen to air traffic. So if you guys are looking for a tri-band radio for monitoring airband, you may want to give this Baofeng K6 a try. I hope this helps.